In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds in BingX from Debit Card. We'll walk through the exact path on the BingX website and use the built-in quick buy flow so you can purchase crypto with a debit card smoothly and securely. This walkthrough assumes you already have a BingX account and a debit card that's authorized for online purchases in your region. Start by opening the official BingX website in your browser. From the home page, look for the Buy Crypto option in the top navigation. Click that to open the purchase menu. On the next screen, choose P2P trading. This takes you to BingX's fiat on-ramp area, where you can access different ways to convert your local currency into crypto. Here, select Quick Buy. Quick Buy simplifies the experience by matching you with available offers and supported payment processors automatically. You'll see fields where you can choose your fiat currency and the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Pick the currency you'll pay with, select the asset you want to buy, then enter the amount. Take a moment to review the estimated rate and any displayed fees so you know exactly what you'll be charged and what you'll receive. When you're ready, click Buy to proceed. Next, select your payment method. BingX supports several options, but for this tutorial, choose Debit Card. Make sure the name on the card matches your account details. Your card is enabled for 3D secure or similar verification if required, and your daily card limit covers the purchase amount. If you see multiple card processors, pick the one available in your region with the best fee and approval rate. Now complete the payment on the secure checkout page. Enter your card details carefully, confirm the amount, and follow any verification prompts from your bank. If your order is processed via P2P, remember to mark it as paid after you finish the transaction so the system knows to release the assets. Do not close the window or refresh while the payment is being authorized. Once the seller or payment processor confirms receipt, your crypto will be released to your BingX account. To finalize, you may see a confirmation prompt within BingX. Click Buy to confirm and lock in the purchase. After a short processing period, the assets should appear in your account and be ready for trading. If you don't see them right away, refresh the page and check your balances. For best results, double-check amounts and fees before confirming, and keep your notifications on so you don't miss release updates. That's it. Your funds are now added via debit card, and you're set to trade on BingX.